Hello and welcome to NCTV episode 125. Now, as I'm filming this, we're into April and the days are longer, the weather's improving, occasionally, and many people are feeling the urge to get moving again. So whether you're inspired by spring, a new goal, or even the events like the London Marathon, lots of people are either starting running or getting back into it after a break. And while running is brilliant for your health, it does come with one small catch. If you do too much too soon, your body will let you know about it. So today, let's talk about how to start running without injury, keeping you moving, consistent and pain-free. Firstly, why do running injuries happen? Most running injuries aren't bad luck, they're usually down to load versus capacity. In simple terms, doing more than your body is currently prepared for. Common issues I see, and I may have experienced one or two myself, include shin splints, knee pain, Achilles irritation, tight calves and hips. And they often show up within weeks of the first few weeks of starting. And here are the 6 top tips to start running safely. 1, build up gradually. This is the big one. A good rule of thumb, increase your distance by no more than 10% per week. It might feel slow, but your future self will thank you. 2, mix running with walking or jeffing, especially at the start. Run-walk intervals are not a step backwards, they're actually one of the best ways to build resilience safely. And 3, don't ignore niggles. A small ache in your body is your body whispering. Ignore it and it may start shouting. Early tweaks to training can prevent weeks of frustration later. And 4, strength matters more than you think. Running isn't just cardio. Strong glutes, calves and core help absorb the load and reduce strain on the joints. And 5, rest is part of training. This is where many people go wrong. You don't get fitter during the run, you get fitter after when your body adapts. So remember, rest days aren't lazy, they're actually productive. And 6, shoes help, but they're not magic. Whilst good footwear matters, it won't fix everything. Your body is still the most important piece of equipment. So, how can osteopathy help? If you're starting running or getting back into it, osteopathy can support you by improving joint mobility, reducing muscle tension, addressing imbalances, helping manage niggles early, and supporting recovery if something does flare up. Often, it's not about stopping running, it's about adjusting things so that you can keep going safely. Now into some helpful support alongside osteopathy. You might also benefit from strength and conditioning work, running technique guidance, gradual training plans like the Catch the 5K, and mobility and stretching routines. It's about building a body that's ready for running and not just hoping for the best. One final thought, consistency beats intensity every time. It's far better to run a little regularly than go all in for, say, 2 weeks and then spend the next 6 weeks recovering. So if you're thinking of lacing up your trainers this spring, start smart, build gradually, and listen to your body along the way. And that's it for today's bite-sized tip to help your health flourish. Whether you're aiming for your first 5K park run or just getting moving again, I'm here to help keep you running comfortably. Oh, and if you do happen to be up in London cheering on the marathon runners on the 26th of April 2026, or even just watching on the TV, be sure to look out for this 6'2" handsome chap with a beard wearing an orange St Catherine's Hospice vest and the name Nick across the front. Apparently he's after a sub-4 hour marathon finish, so good luck to him. Bye for now, see you next time.